In today's digital world, securing access to applications is more critical than ever. But with protocols like SAML, OAuth 2.0, and OpenID Connect, choosing the right one can feel like picking the right lock in a maze. Understanding these protocols is crucial for anyone involved in application security and identity management. We'll dive into the core differences between SAML, OAuth 2.0, and OpenID Connect, exploring when each is most appropriate. By the end of this video, you'll know how to select the right protocol for your use case, ensuring secure and efficient user authentication. First up, let's talk about SAML. Security Assertion Markup Language, or SAML, is widely used for single sign-on solutions. Imagine a scenario where employees log into their corporate portal using their company credentials. SAML facilitates this by securely transmitting authentication information between an identity provider and a service provider. This protocol is great for enterprise environments where centralized identity management is essential. Moving on to OAuth 2.0, this protocol focuses on authorization rather than authentication. Think of it as granting permissions to third-party applications to act on behalf of a user without sharing passwords. For example, when you allow a fitness app to sync your data with your social media account, OAuth 2.0 handles the permission-granting process. It's perfect for scenarios where you need fine-grained control over user permissions. Finally, OpenID Connect, or OIDC, builds on OAuth 2.0 to provide authentication capabilities. It's essentially OAuth 2.0 plus an identity layer. When you log into a website using your Google account, OIDC is likely handling the authentication process. This protocol is ideal for web and mobile applications that require both authentication and authorization. To summarize, SAML is great for single sign-on in enterprise settings, OAuth 2.0 excels in handling authorization, and OpenID Connect combines both authentication and authorization. Choosing the right protocol depends on your specific requirements and use case. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Drop your questions in the comments, I read every one. See you in the next video.